of Modern Indian History, Part 2.
Education in British rule.
First date 1781. Establishment of Kolkata Madrasa by Warren Hastings, 1791. Establishment of Banaras Sanskrit College by Jonathan Duncan, 1813. Charter Act recommend 1 lakh rupees for Indian education. Next date 1835. On the recommendation of Macaulay Report, English education introduced by Lord William Bentinck, again 1835. First medical college established at Kolkata. Next date 1847. Establishment of IIT at Roorkee in Uttarakhand. Next date 1849. First women's school or John Bethune School established by John Bethune. Next date 1854. Sir Charles Wood's Dispatch, 1857. Establishment of Kolkata, Bombay, Madras universities by Lord Canning on the recommendation of Sir Charles Wood's Dispatch. Next date 1882. Hunter's Commission, 1902. Thomas Raleigh Committee, and this is first University Committee. These are all important dates about education in British rule.
Next, constitutional development.
First date 1773. Regulating Act 1784. Pitt's India Act 1793. First Charter Act 1813. Second Charter Act 1833. Third Charter Act 1853. Fourth Charter Act or Last Charter Act 1858. Government of India Act, again 1858. Queen Victoria Declaration, 1861. India Council Act, 1892. Again India Council Act, 1909. Again India Council Act or Minto-Morley Reformations, 1919. Again India Council Act or Montagu-Chelmsford Reformations, 1935. Government of India Act, 1947. India Independence Act, 1773, Regulating Act 1784, Pitt's India Act 1793, First Charter Act 1813, Second Charter Act 1833, Third Charter Act 1853, Fourth Charter Act 1858, Government of India Act again 1858, Queen Victoria Declaration 1861, India Council Act 1892, India Council Act 1909, Minto-Morley Reformations 1919, Montagu-Chelmsford Reformations 1935, Government of India Act 1947, India Independence Act. These are all important dates about our constitutional development.
Land revenue system in British rule.
First date 1793. Zamindari system introduced by Lord Cornwallis at Bengal provinces. Next date 1820s. Raitwari system introduced by Lord Hastings, Thomas Munro, Elphinstone and Alexander Reed at Madras, Bombay, Sindh, Berar and Assam provinces. Next date 1833. Mahalwari system introduced by R.M. Bird and James Thomson at Northwest Provinces, Central Provinces, United Provinces and Punjab Provinces. These are all important dates about land revenue. This is the main cause for peasant movements. I will explain more about peasant movements in coming classes. Please subscribe my channel.
History of newspapers.
First date 1556. First printing machine was brought from Portugal to Goa. 1681. British East India Company or Honorable East India Company or Company of Bahadur printing machine to Bombay. 1780. Bengal Gazette published by father of newspapers James August Hickey. This is first newspaper in English language. Next date 1816. Again Bengal Gazette published by Gangadhara Bhattacharya. This is first newspaper in English language published by Indian. Next date 1818. Digdarshana or Samachara Darpana published by J.C. Marshman. This is first newspaper in the Indian language or Bengali language. Next date 1822. John A. Hanuma published by Rajaram Mohan Rai. This is first newspaper in Urdu language. Next date again 1822. Mirat-ul-Akbar published by Rajaram Mohan Rai. This is first newspaper in Parsi language. Again 1822. Bombay Samachar published by Fardunjay Marjban. This is existing oldest newspaper in India and this is first daily newspaper in India. These are all weekly newspapers. Next date 1843. Mangaluru Samachar published by H.F. Mogling. This is first newspaper in Kannada. These are all important dates about newspapers.
Indian Railway.
First date 1853. First railway line between Bombay to Thane. Next date 1854. Second railway line between Kolkata to Raniganj. Next date 1856. Third railway line between Madras to Arkonam. Next date 1859. First railway line in Karnataka between Bangalore to Jolarpet. These are important dates about railway line.
Social religious reformations.
First date 1828. Brahma Samaj established by father of Indian Renaissance or first modern man of India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. 1829. Abolition of sati system by Lord William Bentinck with the help of Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Next date 1820s. Young Bengal movement led by Henry Louis Vivian Desrosiers. Next date 1867. Prarthana Samaj established by Atmaram Panduranga Raya. Next date 1873. Satya Shodhaka Samaj established by father of social revolutionary Jyotirao Phule. Next date 1875. Arya Samaj established by Martin Luther of Hinduism, Dayananda Saraswati. Again 1875. Establishment of Theosophical Society at New York by Colonel Wolcott and Madam Blavatsky. Next date 1882. Establishment of Theosophical Society at Adyar near Madras. Next date 1907. Shweta Saraswati or Annie Besant elected President of Theosophical Society. Again 1875. Aligarh movement led by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Next date 1888. Aravipuram movement led by Narayana Guru. Next date 1893. Chicago World Religious Summit. Next date 1898. Ramakrishna Mission led by Hindu spiritual leader Swami Vivekananda. Next date 1905. Servants of India Society led by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Next date 1925. Self-respect movement led by E.V. Ramaswamy Nair. These are all important dates about social religious formations.
National Movement 1885 to 1947. Moderates period from 1885 to 1905.
First date 1885. Establishment of Indian National Congress by Father of Indian National Congress or Father of Ornithologist A.O. Hume at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit School in Mumbai. Next date 1901. Poverty and British Rule in India, book wrote by Grand Old Man of India, Dadabhai Naoroji.
Extremists period from 1905 to 1919.
Next date 1874 and 1905. Friends, this is the first time partition of Bengal by Sir Northbrook, but 1905. This is second time partition of Bengal by Lord Curzon. Next date 1906. Establishment of All India Muslim League 1907. Surat split 1911. Cancellation of partition of Bengal by George V and his wife Mary. This time was Viceroy Lord Hardinge II. Again 1911. Capital shift from Kolkata to Delhi. Next date 1916. Home Rule Leagues led by Shweta Saraswati and Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Next date again 1916. Lucknow Session and Lucknow Agreement. Again 1919. Rowlatt Act or Anarchical and Revolutionary Crime Act. Next date 1919. Rowlatt Satyagraha. Again 1919. Jallianwala Bagh incident or Amritsar incident.
Gandhi era 1920 to 1947.
Next date 1920. Khilafat movement led by Ali brothers. Next date 1920 to 22. Non-cooperation movement led by Gandhi ji. Next date 1923. Swaraj Party 1928. Simon Commission or White's Commission visit to India. Again 1928. Nehru Report. Next date again 1928. Bardoli Satyagraha led by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, 1929. Lahore Congress, 1930-34. Civil disobedient movement or salt satyagraha and Dandi March. Next date 1930. First Roundtable Conference 1931. Gandhi-Irwin Pact, again 1931. Second Roundtable Conference 1932. Communal Award, again 1932. Pune Pact or Gandhi Ambedkar Pact. Next date again 1932. Third Roundtable Conference 1940. Individual Satyagraha 1942. Quit India movement or Leaders Less movement or August Revolution. Next date 1945. Simla Summit. Next date 1946. Royal Indian Naval Mutiny or Bombay Mutiny is last mutiny against British rule in India, 1947. Lord Mountbatten Plan or Ismay Plan or Dicky Bird Plan. Next date again 1947. India Independence. Lord Mountbatten is last Viceroy in India and he is the first Governor General of India. Chakravarti Rajgopalachari is first Indian Governor General.
Revolutionaries.
Next date 1883. Death of first revolutionary Vasudeva Balavanta Phadke. Next date 1897. Mitra Mela established by V.D. Savarkar. Next date again 1897. Vyayama Mandal established by Chopekar brothers. Next date 1902. Anushilana Samiti. Next date 1904. Abhinava Bharata Samaja established by V.D. Savarkar. 1913. Gaddar Party or Hind Association of Pacific Coast. Next date 1914. incident. Next date 1924. Hindustan Republic Association. Next date 1925. Kakori Railway Robbery 1926. Punjab Naujawan Sabha established by Bhagat Singh 1928. Hindustan Socialistic Republic Association 1930. Chittagong Armory Raid by Master G. Surya Sen 1931. Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev hanged by British government at Lahore jail. We can't forget this incident. I can't forget this incident till my last breath. Next date 1942. Establishment of Indian National Army by Mohan Singh 1943. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose became leader of Indian National Army. Next date 1946. Red Fort Trials. These are all important dates about modern Indian history part 2. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.